I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad with banana and apple. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe bananas and 2 crisp apples, which are the stars of our dish. For a touch of sweetness, grab 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup. Finally, have 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice ready to enhance the flavors and keep your fruit looking fresh. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get to preparing the fruit. Start by peeling your 2 bananas and slicing them into nice, even 1/2 inch rounds. Next, core your 2 apples and dice them into small, uniform pieces. This ensures every bite is perfectly balanced. Once all your fruit is cut, gently place it into a large mixing bowl, ready for the next step. With your fruit in the bowl, it's time to add those delicious flavors. Drizzle 1/4 cup of honey or maple syrup evenly over all the fruit. This adds a natural sweetness without being overpowering. Next, sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, which complements the apples and bananas beautifully. Finally, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This not only brightens the taste, but also helps prevent the bananas and apples from browning too quickly. Your delicious fruit salad is almost ready. Gently toss all the ingredients together in the bowl until everything is well combined and coated. For the best flavor, I recommend chilling your fruit salad for about 15 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy this easy, refreshing treat. Also, for more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.